everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 691 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm doing like a 2-in-1 because I'm trying out two products that I got in my December 2019 Ipsy Glam bags. The first product that I have here is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer, and I actually tried out the Park Avenue Princess palette and loved it. So this is one of the bronzers that comes in that palette, and this was part of my regular bag from my Ipsy Glam bags. So in the description down below I will put the link to my unbagging video, and I'll also put a link to that video where I tried out the entire Park Avenue Princess palette. But so here is the individual bronzer of it in a little deluxe sample size, I'd say. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch. I really like this shade of bronzer and this formula. The Amazonian Clay is so nice. It blends out beautifully. But speaking of blending out beautifully, I'm also going to be trying the Complex Culture. This is the contour and blush brush. So what's cool about this is that it's a 2-in-1 design. So I don't have any brushes that look like this, but it's like a blush and contour brush in one because you can use the top fluffier part for blush, but then the angled part here for contouring. So I love that it's a dual purpose type of brush, and it feels so soft and luxurious. This has a retail value of $35, which to me is kind of crazy for a brush. That is so high-end in my opinion. But this is vegan and cruelty-free, which I really like for brushes and everything really. Oh, but it seems so nice and fancy. I'm so excited. Came in this fancy box too. Like, this is gift worthy. I like that the slogan of this brand is, "We designed this brush to make your life easier." It says, "Life's complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush." So I love that concept. 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish. So cool, such beautiful design details to this brush. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna start out by taking the contoured end of the brush and doing some contouring to my cheekbones. Ooh. Yeah, this is a great contour shade. The finish on this bronzer, I feel like it looks matte on the skin, but it does have a little bit of like glow, a tiny little bit of shimmer, which I really like on the skin. It helps it give a little bit more of like that radiance, and that blended out beautifully with the brush and the formula of the bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Just build up. Yeah, I mean, so easy to apply, both of the product and with the brush. I really like that. Go ahead and contour the other side. Ooh. It feels like it's really easy to get this in the perfect shape and angle with this brush. I love that. Okay. And then I'm also just going to, I'm kind of using the middle of the brush now, so that it's a little bit fluffier, and I'm going to contour the jawline and a little bit under my nose, so therefore I'm using the thinner, smaller end of the brush to do my nose a little tiny bit. Is it just me, or does this have a, kind of has like a little bit of a coconut scent to it? That smells really nice. Okay, and then for my top of my forehead along the hairline, I'm also going to use the thinner end of the brush to contour along there as well. Oh, this brush just feels so soft and nice on my skin. I hate when a brush is like prickly and scratchy on my skin because I have such sensitive skin that it'll get really red if I don't use like a soft, nice brush. And after I finish applying, I want to see if there are any like brush hairs that fell off and that are sticking to my face, because that happens with some of my brushes, some of my older brushes, and that's a pain as well. So I feel like I added a little bit of contour, nothing too crazy. This shade works really well on my fair skin tone. So I like that I was able to add some subtle contouring. Let's see. Oh, it does look so smooth and nice on the skin. Like there's a little bit of like a glowy reflection if you look up close. So I really do like the finish of this bronzer because it's not too overly shimmery that it can't work as a contour shade, but it adds just a little enough glow that it looks really smooth and healthy on the skin. No brush hairs at all. This did not shed, so I love this brush. I would really like to try out more brushes from this brand because it is amazing, but it is just so pricey that I would not be able to get myself to spend $35 on a brush, but I'm so happy I got this in my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, which I of course will also have that unboxing down below if you haven't seen that video. But because I got this in my Glam Bag Ultimate box, I got this for a great deal. So I hope to get more great brushes from this brand in my boxes, because then I feel like it's really worth it. But I am really happy with both of these products. And I gave the Park Avenue Princess palette to my sister for Christmas. So I'm really happy that I'll have this bronzer for myself because I really do love this. I love the Tarte Amazonian Clay products. I highly recommend them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.